Hi, I'm Noya from the Azure Monitor Log Analytics team. In this video, we will explore summary rules. Summary rules let you aggregate incoming data into another table based on a specific query and bin size. You can create a rule to summarize data from any analytics, basic or auxiliary tables into a custom analytics table. There are several key scenarios where summary rules are particularly valuable. First, summary rules let you ingest data cheaply into basic or auxiliary tables and consume the summarized data with the full power of analytics. This enables alerts, dashboards, and analysis at much lower cost. Second, you can optimize cost by summarizing high-volume logs from tables with short retention periods into an analytics table with longer retention. Third, you can use summary rules to enable rich performant analytics on tables with high ingestion rates. Summary rules are free. You are only charged for the queries on basic or auxiliary logs and the ingestion cost of the summarized table. Now, let's see an example of cost optimization using basic table and summary rule in Azure Monitor Log Analytics. Container Log v2 table is provided as part of Container Insights and includes verbose data. Most of the records have no day-to-day use. In this demo environment, I have 400,000 records per day. While this data is valuable for diagnosis and troubleshooting, retaining it for a long time can be costly due to its volume. However, there are elements we do need to monitor over time, such as the execution of specific procedures. So, I have created a summary rule that extracts only the relevant information. In this table, each line provides a short summary of the original data per pod name. Using the same approach, I can simplify data for analyzing, keeping only the necessary data. For example, with performance data, we can retain a daily average and maximum data instead of minute-by-minute raw data. Summary rules in Log Analytics provide cost-effective data management and analysis solutions for various scenarios. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. For more details, please check out our documentation.